All right, so let's set this up for you. The storm is gone, but the wind and the cold are just making themselves at home in Northeast Ohio.
Yeah, take a look at the conditions in Cleveland on the right, all those icy waves off the East 55th Street Marina, and then that was on the left. And then on the right, the winds are whipping up, blowing and drifting that snow in Akron. Thanks so much for joining us at 6. I'm Lena Lai.
I'm Chris Ty. We've got you covered on cleanup from the massive storm and how to stay safe doing that part of the story.
But first, let's check in with meteorologist Matt Wentz on what this storm is leaving behind.
Yeah, that's right, guys. Can you turn up the heat in here, by the way? I'm telling you, looking at that video, I just want to stay inside for the next several days, maybe the next several months as it looks right now. But yeah, that's right, guys. It's been a pretty active storm. In fact, we've had not just the strong winds, but the snow. Things starting to get cleared up. And now we're talking lake snow. Check out the time lapse today. This is lake effect snow moving into downtown Cleveland. This is that band that set up earlier today, moving from west to east. You can see we've been in and out of the squalls downtown today, each one providing a fresh coat of snow across the landscape. And this has been the story for much of Northeast Ohio. Gone is the winter storm, but hello, lake effect. We bring that cold air across the lake, and this is what we've been dealing with for much of the day. So that time lapse, I tweeted out if you want to look at it again. It looks pretty darn awesome. All right, let's talk wind speeds here over the course of the day. Oh, look at this. These are some of the gusts that we had mainly last night at the height of this storm. 51-mile-per-hour wind gusts in Conneaut, out in Ashtabula, Brunswick 50. You notice the 40s from not just central areas of the Cleveland greater area, but out towards the west in Port Clinton and out towards the south. Wayne County checking in at 43 miles per hour. Winds starting to subside, but we've got lots of snow blowing around. These are some of the official totals from the National Weather Service. I reached out this morning and you sent in all sorts of storm reports, and we've got a lot more reports up in the 13, 14, 15 inch range, but these are some of the official reports. So you may live in Stowe and have more than that, but these are the ones that came into the Weather Service. But you notice from Stowe, Unionton down towards Akron, Canton area, seeing some snow. Amherst, Newberry up near a foot, and we've got almost a foot in the Collins community off towards the west. Willard and Kent checking in at 10.5. Again, you may have more than that, but that just gives you the scope of things. This is right on our snowfall forecast. We were saying 8 to 13 for a wide range of the area. That's exactly what we had. The only curveball in this storm system, according to our forecast, was we had some warm air working areas of Tuscarawas and Carroll counties last night, more than I expected, and that cut down snow totals down there. Also made for better road conditions this morning, but everyone else, the storm played out just as we expected. Winter storm warnings continue, though. You notice that areas in pink, that's for the lake effect snow, the blowing and drifting snow. That goes through the early morning hours, but by and large, that storm system is gone. We've had upwards of 2 feet of snow, upstate New York, areas in New England, a big old ice storm for Boston and the greater New York area, but that's even heading on out. We're dealing with lake effect now across the viewing area. It's been heavy at times. It's very localized. You know the drill on lake effect, but our main band continues out towards the eastern half of Cleveland. So right in the Menor area, heading over towards Paynesville. Perry, it's just west of you. This band is putting down some snow in a hurry, but look how small it is. Very isolated. Fairport Harbor getting the snow as well. That extends back into areas of northern Portage County, just north of Ravenna. We've got otherwise just some hit or miss snow showers down to the southern half of the viewing area near Medina after some snow today. And then, yeah, a little bit off to the west as well. This lake effect snow will continue tonight. The other story, the wind chill advisory goes through noon tomorrow. Wind chills as cold as 25 below zero. Right now, these are your air temperatures. That is the big story tonight and tomorrow. With that wind still whipping out of the north anywhere from 10 to 15 miles per hour, it produces feels like temperatures well below zero. Our coldest readings will be south and west of Cleveland tonight, as that's where that really cold air is going to be. So throw another log on the fire tonight. Temperatures down in the single digits. We're still dealing with some of those snow showers, but over the course of the day tomorrow, we're going to lose the lake snow. We've got a couple other systems to track in the forecast. We'll bring all that to you coming up in the full forecast, guys.